What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to port numbers, your phone numbers, from one high-level sub-account to the other high-level sub-account. Now, this is only going to work if, number one, you are an agency owner, so you have to have access to the agency settings. And then number two, this is really for moving numbers between one sub-account, one sub-account to another sub-account, right? And here are some, this is a simple way to move phone numbers across sub accounts, right? But they have to be under the same telephony system parent account, which means you're going to have one agency account. And in that agency account, you're going to have sub accounts that have, let's say, the lead connector system, right? Once you do that, and let's say you have one account, for example, that you started off with, you got ATP approval there, and then you have another sub account that you are now using, and that's maybe your main account now, and that has phone numbers in there and is also ATP approved, then you can move one number from one sub account to the other or vice versa. Very, very easy on the agency side. And that's what I'm going to show you right now in this video. So to get here, you are going to make sure that you go to your agency settings. So make sure that on the very top left, you're going to be able to see click here to switch, right? If you see click here to switch, you are in the agency side, right? And all you got to do now is, once you're on the agency side, go to settings on the very, very bottom left. Then go to where it says phone integration on the left-hand side. And then once you're here, you're going to see in the very top right, it says move numbers. When you click on that, it's going to show you this screen right here, which is source sub account, which is where is the phone number right now, and then destination sub account, which is where do you want to transfer it over to, what sub account you want that number to go. Now, here's one very, very key thing here is that the A2P status will not be moved as it is at a sub account level, not at a phone number level, right? Which means if you have one number that you're actively using and you want to send it out to another sub account, make sure that other sub account is ATP approved if you want that number to send out text in the new sub account, right? Once you have all that in place and you're good to go, all you got to do now is choose your source sub account. So let's say GHL Tutorials, and then my destination sub account will be something like, let's say, Go Digital Growth Lab. And I can simply select the number. You can also select 10 numbers, up to 10 numbers at the same time. And I can move this 786 number from my GHL Tutorial sub account to my Go Digital Growth Lab sub account. And once I click move numbers, it will literally take it's almost like 1 to 5 minutes, and it will automatically move that number over, and bam. And then it's going to give you a little migration completed, good to go. And just like that, you can use that new number, right, in that new sub account instantly without having to buy a new number or go through that whole entire process again, right? Again, the A2P approval will not, transfer over. So if you are planning to use text messages on that, just make sure that you get that ATP approved first and then transfer over that number. And then you're good to go. All right, guys. So I hope that was super, super valuable. This is something that I learned a few months ago, and I just, I thought I had to go through GHO support to get this done. And now, I don't know if it's now, but we do have the option to do it on the agency settings, and it's super, super fast, right? So it's super cool. Help me out. I actually did it for some of my sub accounts, and I also did it for some of my client sub accounts. And yeah, so if you do have any questions in regards to HighLevel, I'm breaking it all down. This is what I do on a day-to-day basis. It's my full-time job, and now I'm basically just putting together tutorial videos to really have people that are joining HighLevel not feel overwhelmed and understand the full system. So like that, they can optimize and use it to the best of their abilities for their business, right? So if you have if you have any questions, just comment down below. If you love this video, give it a like. And of course, follow the actual channel. I'm going to keep on pushing in here. And if you are already in my community, you're going to see a lot more in there. I'm excited that you're in there. Join the live calls. And if you want to join the community, go down below. I'm going to have it there at school.com/GHL. Peace.